What features should be mentioned about EVCONN OBDII Scanner? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Comprehensive OBDII Scanner. The OBDII car scanner offers a complete diagnostic solution, supporting a variety of performance tests. Features include quick reading of DTC, car battery voltage reading, turning off the CEL or MIL, resetting monitors, reading real-time data, obtaining VIN, freeze frame data. Oxygen sensor testing, diagnostic reports, onboard monitoring, and more. You can monitor your car's performance in real time, quickly locate issues, and resolve it before they escalate. Quick car performance testing tool. The OBDII Scanner diagnostic tool is simple to use yet highly functional, with a fault code library approximately 10 times larger than basic products, capable of querying over 30,000 fault codes. An intuitive application helps you interpret the engine check light and provides repair assistance analysis. This can help you avoid unnecessary visits to the repair shop, saving on costly repairs. Clear data and powerful functionality. The OBDII car scan tool displays detected data in clear, easy-to-read charts. Whether it's engine coolant temperature, engine RPM, vehicle speed, or control module voltage, the visual presentation helps you quickly grasp the vehicle's status. The OBDII code reader can detect emission-related systems, such as catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and more functions. Providing emission test data to ensure the vehicle meets environmental standards for annual inspections. A dedicated app can also generate detailed vehicle health reports, including the status of key components like the engine, transmission, and brake system. Extensive compatibility. The newly upgraded OBDII car scanner diagnostic tool supports over 99% of car brands and models. It is compatible with numerous brands, including Toyota, Honda, Chevrolet, Ford, Mercedes, Jeep, BMW, Porsche, Subaru, Nissan, Cadillac, Volkswagen, and Lexus. Covering vehicles from 1996 to the present. The app also supports multiple common languages, including English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian, Portuguese, Chinese, Japanese, and Korean, making it easy for users worldwide to use. Advanced Bluetooth 5.4 connection. The OBDII scanner features an upgraded Bluetooth 5.4 system, reducing power consumption and providing faster, more stable connections. Simply turn on the vehicle's Bluetooth, access the app page, and wait for the connection to establish automatically. Using BLE low-energy Bluetooth technology, the EVCONN car diagnostic tool consumes very little battery power, offering excellent battery protection during prolonged use. You don't have to worry about the OBDII scanner burdening your car. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.